Hi guys, it's Cindy. I just wanted to bring to you the Echo Park warehouse sale box that I received in the mail today. It's quite heavy. I just want to let you know that the total for this entire box and what is inside of it was $50 with free shipping. If you haven't taken advantage of the warehouse sales, I would highly suggest taking a look at what they have to offer because it definitely has a lot of value. So with that said, here we go. I got an Echo Park tote that was free with purchase, and that was with I think it was the first 500 purchases. I'm not sure, but that was free. Okay. I got 6x6 paper stacks. Alice in Wonderland, super cute. Dots and stripes. Dots and stripes, perfect for Easter. A holiday collection, very cute. I got a stamp set. Okay, I got a bonus back to bounce back, 10% off, so it's a coupon. This is a flyer to join their club, which I plan on doing, and I'll read that a little bit later. These are the paper stacks that I got. Echo Park. Love my dog. All Aboard. Summer Camp. Practically Perfect. Back to School. Alice in Wonderland, and the plant lady, that's a 12x12, again, that's by Echo Park. Okay, so let's go over what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 12x12s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 6x6. Whoops, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 6x6 stacks. 1 stamp set, 1 free tote, and a coupon to go back. So all in all, I think it's an awesome value. $50, free shipping. That's everything that I purchased. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and please leave any comments. I'll be happy to reply. Thanks, and have a good night.